CreateOne is a beta product. It is not uncommon to log into your account after a few days and notice that the UX has changed slightly or that a new feature has been introduced. As you navigate around the system and get comfortable, we would love to hear from you about what you feel is missing or what features would enhance your experience. At any point, feel free to use the Talk to Us button in the top right corner to get into direct contact with our account management team. You can fill in feedback about your experience, include screenshots if applicable, and include your name. This is a great place to not only submit feedback, but also ask questions or report bugs. After you submit feedback, our account management team will get back to you via email in a timely manner. If you need immediate help or just a quick answer to a question, you can interact with our Ask One AI chat tool, who will be able to point you in the right direction. If you have feedback about the physical quality of your garment once you receive it, you can report that in the Quality app. So navigate to the Make Orders tab. You can come into the summary of an order, go to the One section, and in the Quality app, you can report an issue directly referencing both the expected and actual measurements of the garment as it left the factory. You can choose the category of your physical quality feedback, and then please include images whenever possible. Whether you're submitting physical quality feedback using the Quality app or reaching out using the Talk to Us form, our team will do our best to get back to you in a timely manner so that you can continue to design and make beautiful things.